We're going to explore telepathy today, one of the most intriguing and enigmatic subjects in the field of psychics. Have you ever pondered whether it's feasible to communicate ideas, emotions, or visuals to someone else without exchanging words? This is telepathy's power. In this video, we'll look at the ins and outs of telepathy, as well as how to become telepathic yourself. To put it simply, telepathy is the ability to communicate information between individuals without relying on any of the recognized human sensory systems. Many different societies worldwide have documented this psychic gift, captivating people for years. Telepathy and spiritual pursuits were frequently associated in ancient civilizations. Shamans, monks, and sages would bridge the gap between human awareness by connecting with others' minds through mental concentration. However, telepathy is a natural talent that anyone may acquire with practice. It's not simply reserved for the spiritually gifted. How is telepathy operational? Telepathy operates on a subtle energetic level through the use of thought energy or mental frequency. Our minds vibrate, just the way a radio signal does. You are effectively broadcasting a thought or emotion into the mental atmosphere. With practice, a receptive mind can become skilled at tuning into and comprehending these vibrations. Let's examine each of the three main categories of telepathy. Basic intuitive telepathy is the ability to discern another person's feelings or intentions without having to speak to them directly. It frequently occurs between close friends or family members. Mental telepathy. This involves the transfer of concrete thoughts, ideas, or images. It requires more focus and practice, but it allows for a deeper connection. Spiritual telepathy. This is the highest form in which one can connect with higher beings, guides, or even universal consciousness. It requires advanced psychic development and spiritual alignment. Let's try this simple telepathy exercise now, which you can do at home. Locate a peaceful area, take a comfortable seat, and shut your eyes. Imagine a strong bond between you and the person you want to connect with. Concentrate on conveying a single basic image, let's say a red apple, while picturing their face. Visualize the apple clearly, then mentally aim it at them. When practicing telepathy, patience is essential. Telepathic connections will become more vivid as you quiet your mind and sharpen your mental attention. At first, you might not be able to transmit or receive clear messages. You will eventually be able to communicate feelings, ideas, and even more intricate visuals. We appreciate you coming along on our exploration of the mysteries of telepathy. Work and determination can awaken this amazing psychic skill. Make sure to join the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn more about psychic development.